You guys how you can make at least 10k daily doing crypto arbitrage. So it's going to be very insightful. I need you all to pay attention to the very end so you can grab everything I'm about to teach you guys. Okay, let's get into the video real quick. Now we are going to go to a platform called Bitvalve, or a website called Bitvalve. You can go to your Chrome browser. Go to a platform called a website called bitvalve.com. As you can see, it's right here on my screen, bitvalve.com. So you go there and you create an account with them. You register with them. It's free to register. Now what are we going to be doing with this bitvalve.com? So let me just quickly go to the app because I already have an account with them and I've downloaded the app. So we are going to buy cryptocurrency with our Astropay card. I believe you know what an Astropay card is. Yes, we are going to buy cryptocurrency. And what cryptocurrency are we going to buy? Bitcoin. Now this is what you want to do. If you are on the app, you can see here you have, when you click at this side, you can see this stuff here will pop up and you're going to see buy. Once you see buy, and you're going to see buy and sell, you want to click on buy, you grab. So once you click on buy, that's the first thing you want to do. Now you click on this side up here that you have any crypto, you click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to pick Bitcoin because you're going to be dealing with Bitcoin. Now after that, you want to click on filter sign, this filter sign you are seeing here. Yes, if you are using the website, you are going to scroll down. When you click on buy and the Bitcoin crypto, you're going to scroll down, then you're going to see what you need. Now the reason why we are filtering out is because we want to use USD as our currency and we want to use Astropay as our payment method, that is AstroCard. Now let's click on USDT. Our currency is going to be USD, sorry, and our payment is going to be Astropay. So you click on select payment method and click on Astropay. Yes, now you can see this guy that pops up. He is right online. You can see the green stuff showing right here. He's online already. That is why you are seeing that green stuff. So what do you want to do? You want to click on it and you want to buy this Bitcoin with your, for example, let's take you have an Astropay card worth of $100. You're going to input it. Let's see how much you are going to be making with this $100 worth of Astropay card. Now you are going to be receiving 78.74 USD worth of BTC. That's what you're going to be receiving. Now let's go to Binance and see how much you are going to be getting with this BTC you're having here. Okay, let's go. So we are going to head straight over to Binance. So I'm just quickly going to copy this stuff here. I'm going to copy it. So once I copy it, I'll go over to my Binance. Yes. Now we want to sell this stuff. Don't forget, I'm going to teach you how you can get Astropay card. Yes, I'm going to show you where you can get Astropay card. So stay to the very end for you to see where you can get Astropay card easily. Okay. Now I want to click on sell. Here is my Binance P2P. You want to click on sell. Click on sell. Now you want to filter it. You want to filter. Let's just put in 40k as the amount we want so that it's going to be very quick. Filter. Okay, yes, this is what we have here now. So I'm going to click on one of them here so that we are going to see how much we are going to be getting with those value words of BTC. Now okay, sorry, let me go back. It's BTC I want to sell, so you click on BTC. Sorry, let me filter again. Okay, it's set. Now you click on BTC. Now you click on sell. You are selling Bitcoin, don't forget. Now we are going to paste the quantity we want to sell to them. Let's see how much we are going to be getting. Now you can see the quantity I pasted. Now how much are we going to be getting? You can look at this place. You see you're going to be getting 58,000 naira, 5,247 naira 92 kobo. So let's say this is what we are going to be getting. Now where can we get that Astropay card? Where can we buy our Astropay card? Now we are going to go to a website called, take note, this is what we are going to be getting. 58,000 naira. So we are going to do the math. Let's go to our website and we are going to go to a website called Recharge recharge.com. So you want to go to your Chrome, yes, and you type in recharge.com. as you can see here, recharge.com. okay, recharge.com. so when you go, you create an account with them. It's easy to create an account with them. So once you create an account with them, you want to buy Astropay card from them. That is what you want to do. So once you create an account with them, your interface is going to be like this. And what do you want to click on? You want to click on prepaid. Sorry, okay, it's trying to load up. Yeah, you want to click on oh god, it requires me to log in. Okay, yes, I've already logged in. So you want to click on prepaid card. Now I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me to the interface where I'm going to select the kind of card I want to purchase. So let's make this real quick. Okay, it's loading up. Yeah, and if you let me use this medium, and if you are new to this channel, I will need you to click on the subscribe button, and also like and share this video, because I upload valuable content on this channel. Okay, let's go. Astropay. Now that is what you want to get. You click on Astropay. This is where you can get your Astropay card. You click on it, so it loads up, and we are going to impute the amount of Astropay card we want to buy. I'm going to impute it, so let it load up. Let's see. Okay, now this is what you want to do. You are in Nigeria, right? Your now product currency, don't forget, your Astropay card you are buying should be in USD. Don't forget. So you click on this drop down arrow here, and you select USD. Okay, now you want to buy at least you want to buy now Astropay card worth of 100 USD. You are going to be buying it for 47,000 naira. You can see the gain you are going to be making. So let's say you buy this Astropay card worth of $100 for 47,000 naira, and we buy a BTC worth of $100 on Bitvalve, and we'll go to Binance and sell them for 58,000 naira. You can see how much you are making. 58,000 naira minus 47,000. You'll be making a lot of gain from that. So let's quickly go to our calculator and do that. 58,000, because there are going to be some charges. So let's take 200 naira 247 naira are going to be the charge. So let's subtract it. 58,000 minus 47,000. Now you are going to be getting 11,000 naira. Okay, let's say a lot of charges are involved. Let's say you are going to be getting at least 10k per day doing this transaction. So these are what you can do to get at least 10k per day, and you can do this over and over again. Yes, you can do this over and over again. You do it, you can now you can do again, and as many as you want in a day. So this is what you guys need to hop on real quick and make a lot of profit from it before it get escalated and a lot of people get into it, and there is not going to be profit the way it used to be. So that is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you try you make your own research also and try this out. Okay,